Hi beauties, in this video I'll be showing you how to premix a strong whitening body scrub. You all are welcome to my channel. Let's get started. This is a salt scrub. You can substitute with white granulated sugar, but in this video I'll be using a sparse salt. This is a sparse salt. This is how it looks like. I added 1 kg of sparse salt into this bowl. Okay, so sparse salt are exfoliants that helps to remove dirt and dead skin, and this is going to help to open up the pores and reveal a more softer and newer skin. Using body scrub is very important in skincare, and it helps your products to work faster. I'll be adding another exfoliant, which is a papaya sparse salt. I'll be adding papaya sparse salt in 900 grams. This is also what it looks like, and this also does similar work with the previous ingredient that I added. And I'll also be adding Himalayan pink salt, and this is also an exfoliant that removes dirt buildup and dead skin. I'll be adding just 1 jar of Himalayan pink salt into the bowl, and this is how it looks like with nice fragrance. So after adding the sparse salt, you will stir and mix them properly. Make sure that there are no lumps. Just stir properly like this until it gets to this way. Then you will add your lemon peel powder in 50 grams. This fights acne, exfoliates, reduces signs of aging, fades dark spots, and brightens the complexion. This is also sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to prevent wrinkles, reduces acne, dark spots, blemishes, and lightens the skin. I added 50 grams of sandalwood powder. And here I have citric acid powder. It helps to exfoliate the skin and brightens a dull skin. I'll be adding 100 grams of citric acid powder. And here is malic powder. This is malic acid powder. It is an exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, and I will be adding 50 grams of it too. I'll also be adding 50 grams of mulberry powder. Mulberry powder has strong antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties for the skin. It gives an even skin tone, reduces the appearance of scars, age spots, and other forms of discoloration that might have been caused by sun exposure or the aging process. Okay, and here we also have niacinamide powder. I'll be adding 50 grams of niacinamide powder. It helps to eliminate the formation of dark spots and uneven skin tone, as well as reducing redness, irritation, and dryness. So after adding all this, I will then stir properly, mix all the ingredients together, and make sure that there are no lumps until it looks like this before we proceed. So right here is a concentrate. This is a glutathione whitening serum. It contains glutathione and vitamin C, which are ingredients proven to clear and enhance skin complexion. I'll be adding just 1 bottle of glutathione whitening concentrate. So right here I will be adding 30 ml of whitening GLOWRITE. This will help to lock in moisture into the skin and make it softer, smoother, and suit your skin. I'll also be adding 50 ml of liquid lactic acid. Lactic acid can help to brighten, smoothen. It helps to clear the dark spots, firms, and also evens the skin tone. So I'll also be adding rosehip seed oil. This helps to repair your skin barrier and moisturize the skin. I added 50 ml of rosehip seed oil. And next, this is glycolic acid. It can help to brighten the skin, exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cell, and also it helps to fade dark spots and helps to clean the pores to prevent acne breakout. I added 50 ml of glycolic acid. So if you have a good whitening shower gel, you can use it. I will be adding 250 ml of whitening shower gel into this bowl, and once I'm done, the next thing is to stir and mix properly, and your whitening body scrub is ready. Okay, this is very effective. Okay, if you are to use these scrubs, you have to wet your skin, and you are to use these scrubs 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment below. See you soon, and thanks for watching.